Hi children, good morning Nana. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home, isn't it? Okay Nana, in the previous class we completed the multiplication by 11 Nana. So multiplication techniques, multiplication by 11 is completed and we completed the exercise 3A also. So once again we revise what we discussed in the previous class. Come on children, tell me Nana, if a number is multiplied by 0 we get 0 only. 2453 into dash is equal 0. Yes, we'll keep 0. Okay. So if a number is multiplied by 10, we write the same number and we keep 0 to the right side of the product. If the same number is multiplied by 100, we get same number and we'll keep 2 zeros. Okay Nana? So if a number is multiplied by the multiples of 10, that is 60, 70 or 80 or 100, 200 like that. See 4270 into 400. How do you do? Yes, first you multiply this number by 4. Later we keep 2 zeros in the right side of the product. Okay. So 4 zeros 0, 4 sevens are 28 and 4 twos are 8 plus 2 10. 1 in hand, 0 is down. 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17 and we will keep these 2 zeros. Okay, this is 17,08,000. So like this we will do Nana. If a number is multiplied by the multiples of 10 or multiples of 100, first we multiply the numbers, later we should keep the zeros to the right side of the product. Okay ma, is it clear to you Nana? And now multiplication by 11. We use the multiplication techniques Nana. So I will explain this. 48 into 11. How can we do? First we write two numbers Nana. 4, 8. These two digits will write in two boxes. Now write 8 in the ones place as it is. Now you add these two numbers. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8, 12. Write 2 in the tens place. 1 carry forward. Now you have to add this 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Write 5 in the hundreds place. So the answer is 528. It's a very easy problem Nana. So write 8 in the ones place as it is and you should add these two pair, that pair 4 and 8. First pair 4 plus 8 is 12. If you get 12 here, this 1 carry forward and write 2 in the tens place. Now you add this 1 and 4, then we'll get 5, write 5 in the hundreds place. So the answer is 48 into 11 equal to 528. Okay ma? So in previous class we completed this and we completed for the 284 into 11 also. See this problem, 3 digit by 2 digit by using the multiplication technique of 11. So write these 3 digits in 3 boxes. My dear children, watch it carefully Nana. 2, 8, 4. Okay. So after writing this, write 4 in the ones place. Now you add the first pair. These two numbers you should add. 8 plus 4, 12. Two numbers came, write 2 in the tens place. 1 carry forward. Okay ma? Now you add these two numbers. So 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means 1 carry forward and 1 in the hundreds place. Now we add 1 and 2, that is 3. So answer is 3124. Okay ma, what is the answer? 3124. Is it clear to you Nana? It's a very easy. First we write 4 in the ones place as is. Now you write these add these two numbers, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry forward and write 2 in the tens place. Now you add the next pair, 2 and 8, 2 plus 8, 10, plus 1, 11, 11 means write 1 in the hundreds place and carry forward 1. Now you add 1 and 2, then we'll get 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3124. Okay. This one in last class we completed Nana. So in today's class, all of you open your maths textbook Nana, page number 41, multiplication by 15. Multiplication by 15. Write down in your classwork children. Multiplication by multiplication by 15. Okay. See ma, we can split 15 as 10 plus 5. So to multiply a number by 15, we first multiply by 10. Then half the product obtained and add the same to the product, same to the first product. See Nana? So we can split the 15 as 10 plus 5. So to multiply a number by 15, first we multiply by 10, then we get the product. So after we have to, the product obtained we can make as half after we add that one to the first product. Okay, I will explain by taking one example. 178 into 15. So 178 into 15 is 178. 15 we can write as 10 plus 5. So first you multiply by 10, 1780, and you have to add this half of this product. How much is half of 1780? Yes, we'll get that by dividing 2. Okay, 890. Okay Nana? So now you add these numbers: 0, 8 plus 9 17, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 2670. So this is the value of the half of this product. So 1780, half means 890. Why? 178 into 10 plus 178 into 5. Okay ma, we will write the next step also here. Wait Nana, I will write here like this: 10 plus 5 for better understanding. Directly this is the distributive property Nana. 178 into 10 plus 178 into 5. So this answer is 1780. We can write directly same number and we'll keep 0 to the right side of the product. How much is the half? Yes. Come on, tell me. 890. So answer is 8 plus 9 17, 2670. So here 890 is the half of this product. Okay ma? Yes, note down in your classwork Nana. Okay ma? So when you double the number, so if you want to double a number, you should multiply by 10. If you want to get the half of the number, we should divide by 2. Okay, so what is the double of 4? How do we get the double of 4? If we multiply by 2, then we will get the double of this number. And what is the half of 10? How do you get half of this number? If we divide by 2, then we will get the half of this number. This one you know, no Nana? If a number is multiplied by 2, we get the, come on tell me. Yes, what do we get? If a number is multiplied by 2, we get the double of that number. if a number is divided by 2, we get the half of that number. Okay, keep these 2 points in your mind, Nana. Okay. Can I rub this one? Yes, he'll write note in your classwork. Write along with me, Nana. When you double a number, when you double a number, you multiply it by 2. You multiply it by 2. When you have a number, when you half a number, when you half a number, we divide by 2. We divide it by 2. So to get the double, we should multiply. To get the half, we should divide by 2. Keep this in your mind. Okay, Nana? And next, multiplication by 99. Multiplication by multiplication by 99. So to multiply by 99, we can use the 2 methods, Nana. Okay, the first method. So method 1. Here we can write 99 as 100 minus 1, isn't it? So we can write the 99 as 100 minus 1, no, Nana? So therefore, 56 into 99 equal to 56 into, instead of 99, we will use 100 minus 1. So now you multiply this, 56 into 100 minus 56 into 1. This is 5600 minus 56. Okay, ma? If you subtract these two numbers, we will get the answer 5544. Okay, this is the answer. This is the first method. So we can split the 99 as 100 minus 1. Later we multiply 56 into 100, 5600 minus 56 into 1, 56. If you subtract these two numbers, we get the answer 5544. So this is one method, Nana. Method 2. Method 2. See, ma, method 2 here, it is very easy, Nana, method 2, but you have try to understand that. So in method 2, step 1, subtract 1 from the number to be multiplied by multiplied by 99. So what's the number here given? 56 minus 1 equal to 55. Okay, ma? So they're given the problem 56. 56 into 99. Here we have to subtract 1 from this number. 56 minus 1 equal to 55. This is step 1. Now step 2. Now we have to do the subtraction. 99 minus result of step 1. Result of step 1 means Here 99, what is the answer we will get in step 1? Yes, 55. So 99 minus 55 equal to 44. In step 3, write the answer of step 1 followed by the step 2. Write the answer of step 1 followed by answer of step 2. Okay ma, this is the required product. This is the required product. See here children, what is the first answer? Tell me ma. In the first step we will get 55, second step we will get 44. So the answer is 5544. Okay Nana, it's a very easy. Just you have to keep the steps in your mind and you can do directly. First you subtract from this number 56 minus 1, 55. Then later we subtract that number from 99. 99 minus 55 equal to 44. So now we will write these two numbers. 55, 44 is the answer. So 5544. Is it very easy or difficult? It is very easy. Subtract 1 from the number, then we will get 55. Again you have to subtract the 55 from 99, then we get 44. So these two numbers are the answer, 55, 44. So 5544. Let's note down in your classwork Nana. Note down in your classwork neatly. Next we will go to the exercise 3B. So it is very easy to follow the second method. Okay ma, just you have to subtract from the first number 56 minus 1, 55. Later we subtract the 55 from 99. We get the answer 44. So the answer is 5544. Now exercise 3B. So my dear children, in exercise 3B the problems we can do without steps Nana. Exercise 3B, note down in your classwork. Exercise 3B. Solve the following by applying multiplication techniques. Solve the following by applying multiplication techniques. Multiplication techniques. So my dear children, you have to keep these steps in your mind Nana. Okay, yes, first one. 129 into 11. So solve the following by applying multiplication techniques. How can we solve this? It's very easy Nana. So watch the video carefully. See what's the number here? It is a 3-digit number. So you have to keep 3 boxes. 1, 2, 9. So first step, write 9 in the ones place as is. Write 9 in the ones place as is. I repeat again. Now you should add the first pair. These two numbers we should add. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, 11. Write 1 in the tens place and 1 carry forward. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 comes 1 carry forward and write 1 in the tens place. Now you add this remaining pair. 1 plus 2. 1 plus, see here children, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. So, we will write 3 under the hundreds place. Now, we will write 1 in the thousands place. So, the answer is 1319. Okay ma, 1319. So, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 Nana, sorry. Okay. So, don't get be confusion children. First write 9 in the ones place. Add the first pair 2 plus 9, 11. 1 carry forward and write 1 in the tens place. Now, you should add these numbers 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Write 4 in the hundreds place. Now, this one as is will write under the thousands place. Okay. So, the answer is 1419. Therefore, 129 into 11 equal to, you have to arrange these numbers 1499. Okay ma? Can I explain again? Yes, 9 in the ones place, right as it is. Now you should add these two numbers, 2 plus 9, 11. 11 means 1 carry forward and 1 in the tens place. Now you add these two numbers, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Write 4 in the hundreds place. Now you write 1 as it is in the thousands place. Now you have to arrange these numbers according to the places 1419. We get the answer 1419. Okay ma, is it clear to you? And now 430 into 15. 430. B. 430 into 15. So, first we can write 430. 15 we can write as 10 plus 5. We can write 15 as 10 plus 5. So, there 430 into 10, multiply these two numbers plus 430 into 5. So, 430 into 10, 4300. So, we will get the same number and write 0 to the right side of the product. 430 into 5 means half of this product. What is the half of this product? Come on, tell me children. As 4000, 2000, 300, 150 is the half. So, answer is 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 0. So, 6450. Okay ma? So, we can write as 15, 10 plus 5. Now, we multiply by 10 first. Later, we multiply by 5. But we can't do the multiplication. Just we will take the half of this first product. What is the half of this? 2150. So, this first product is 4300. Now, you add these two numbers, we get the answer 6450. If a number is multiplied by 10, we write the same number and keep 0 to the right side of the product. Okay ma? Here, you don't do the multiplication, just we write half of this product. What is the half? 4300, we should divide by 2, we get this answer 2150. Now, you add these two numbers, we get this 6450. Note down in your classwork ma. Now, C problem. 64 into 15. 64 into 15. Yes. So, we can write 64 into 15, we can write as 10 plus 5. Now, 64 into 10 plus 64 into 5. 64 into 10 plus 64 into 5. 64 we write as is and keep 0 to the right side of the product. Plus, what is the half? 64 into 5 means half of this product. Come on, tell me what is the half of 600 of 300, 40 half 20. So 320. Okay. And half of 600 is 300. 40 half is 20. So 320. Now add 6 plus 3 9. 4 plus 2 6. 960 is the answer. 960 is the answer. Note down in your classwork neatly, children. Now, D Nana, 345 into 15. See here, we can write 15 as sum of 10 and 5. Therefore, 345 into 10 plus 345 into 5. So, this one we write same number and keep 0 to the right side of the product. Now, 345 into 5 means half of this product. Come on, if you divide this, we will get that 1725. So, if you do not know directly, divide this number by 2, then we get the answer 1725. Or if you do not know, directly we should do multiplication. 0 plus 5, 5. Now you add these two numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 in hand. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 5175. Answer is 5175. Now 788 into 11. E. 788 into 11. So here when you multiply by 11, first you write the 3 boxes for 3 digits. 7, 8, 8. Write 8 in the ones place as it is. Now you add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. See children, if you multiply the 3-digit number by 11, first write 8 in the ones place. Now you add the first pair. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So write 6 in the tens place and carry forward 1. Okay. Now you add the next pair. 7 plus 8. Okay ma. 7 plus 8 is 15 and add 1. 15 plus 1, 16. Yes, write 6 in the hundreds place and carry forward 1. Now you add these numbers. 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. Therefore, the number is 788 into 11 equal 8668. Is it clear to you children? So if you multiply the 3-digit number by 11, we use the multiplication technique of 11, right? First 8 in the ones place. Now you add the two numbers. 8 plus 8, 16. So carry forward 1 and write 6 in the tens place. Now add next page. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 1, 16. So 1 carry forward and write 6 under the hundreds place. Now you add 1 plus 7, 8. So the number is 8668. Okay ma? Note down in your classwork neatly children. Write neatly in your classwork. So my dear children, you do F as homework now. 99 into 11. Do F as a homework problem. Now I will explain 43 into 99. Can I rub this one children? 43 into 99. So write G, do F as homework. 43 into 99. We should follow the second method only, Nana. Okay. First we subtract 1 from 43. So 43 minus 1 equal to 42. Okay. In second step we subtract the 42 from 99. Then we'll get the answer 57. Therefore the answer is 43 into 99 equal to 4257. Okay. It's very easy, Nana. So first you subtract 1 from this number, 43 minus 1, 42. Okay, now you subtract 42 from 99. So 99 minus 42 equal to 57. Now the required product is 4257. Is it clear to you, Nana? Write neatly in your classwork. Now H, 65 into 99. First subtract, I will write the steps also, Nana. Subtract 1 from 65. Then 65 minus 1 equal to 64. Now subtract 64 from 99. Then 99 minus 64 equal to 35. Okay. Therefore, the required product is 6435. Okay. The required product is equal to 6435. So here also we'll write the steps, Nana. Okay. If you can't understand, you write the steps. Subtract 1 from 43, then we get the answer 42. Again you subtract 42 from 99, then we get the answer 57. Therefore 43 into 99 equal to 4257. So we'll write here, therefore 65 into 99 equal to 6435. 6435. Okay, Nana? So if you can't understand this one also, we'll write the steps. Okay? Subtract 1 from 43. So those who can't understand directly, for those members only note down the steps. Okay, 43 minus 1 equal to 42. Now subtract 42 from 99. 99 minus 42 equal to 57. Okay. So the required product equal to, therefore 43 into 99 equal to 4257. Okay, ma? So those who can't understand directly, note down the steps. 40 to 57. If you write one number, step 1 followed by step 2, then we get the answer. Okay? So in exercise 3B, I gave only one problem as homework, Nana, 99 into 11. You can do in this problem in homework book, ma. I hope you understand the today's class, children. So tomorrow we'll continue the next. Okay, ma, next topic. So bye, children. Take care of yourself.